Cover, nung balik natin.
Oh, sorry hindi ka pa nakaka-recover, tinanong ka na agad namin. So, sana dito mo i-share sa amin, like, your first thoughts, like, seeing it in full.
A lot of mixed emotions, of course, because when you do a film, you want to make sure that it's watchable, entertaining, and that people will get something out of it. And I guess, while I was watching it, of course, I've seen the film many times when we were doing post-prod, but seeing it for the first time sa big screen, and realizing the impact it might have to our audience, you have to be responsible. And I guess that's really what I was just thinking about the whole time I was watching it. Ano bang kapupulutan ng aral ng mga tao dito? Ano bang mensahe ng pelikula? And I hope we were able to send a message across, because it's really important nowadays. It's very timely with what's happening around the world, the chaos, the violence. So ito yung parang nanood ka ng pelikula, magninilay-nilay ka. Tama ba yung mga choices na ginagawa mo bilang tao, bilang tatay, bilang anak? At ano yung mga circumstances na kailangan mong i-avoid? At yung mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin para mapabuti yung buhay mo at magkaroon ng magandang choices. Ang dami ko sinabi.
Parang kasama na ba sa mga pag-nanood?
Encapsulate ko lang, di ba?
Parang pag nanood ko rin ng news, ganyan din yung masasabi mo.
Oo So, napaka-sensitive ng natin ngayon, society, not just in the Philippines, but yun nga, so sana itong pelikula manalamin sa nangyayari sa paligid natin. Magkaroon tayo ng awareness na may mga ginagawa tayong mga bagay na sana hindi natin nagawa, or sana pinili natin yung mas magandang route para mas napabuti yung outcome.
Ang galing kasi yung impact nito, of course, yung character mo got entangled in crime. But sa susunod na gagawin mo, ikaw naman ang kukuha ng mga
I guess that's the fun part about being an actor. You get to diversify, you get to do roles na talagang hindi mo maiisip yung itsura ko dito, hindi ko mapanood nung una, ang bago ko, hindi ako naliligo, hindi ako nag-makeup, dami kong buhok sa mukha. Sabi ko, so that's the fun part of playing a character. It's not you, but you are just portraying a character para mas makarelate yung mga tao at maintindihan nila yung conflict ng character mo.
And, go ahead.
How is it working with Kyle? After Pamilya Sagrado?
No, actually, this was before Pamilya Sagrado. I guess Dreamscape or ABS for that matter had the idea to pair us up to play my son. I don't know if they got wind about the ride before when we were filming, but Pamilya Sagrado came right away after the ride. So matagal na naming pino-post-prod to. Nauna lang siya sa Pamilya Sagrado and then dumire-diretso na nga yun.
Kaya pala, Papi, yung rapport nyo ni Kyle is like...
sobra talagang 18 years old pa lang yan. Kasi Kyle, nagsimula kami dito, tapos dumiretso pa sa Pamilya Sagrado, anak ko rin siya. So, ganyan talaga yung closest namin because of that. Siyempre, bata yan, gagabayan mo yan. And you wanna be able to show him the ropes of this business. And hindi lang naman siya marami tayong nakakasama, pero ito nga, to be given this chance to play the co-lead, diba? Malaki rin responsibilidad para sa bata. Nandiyan ka para i-guide siya, para iparamdam sa kanya na, basta gawin mo lang ng tama yung trabaho at huwag kang pasok sa ulo mo, then we'll go places.
Ang galing, Papi, ang dami mong mini-mentor.
I don't wanna call it mentorship, because at the end of the day, I'm not selfish. I'm just doing my part to be a team player. And it's not something that I do consciously, because you want to walk the talk and not say it verbally, but let them see it with how you do your stuff, how you embrace and being passionate about what you do. Doon na lang nila yun, hindi mo kailangan i-spoon feed sa kanila.
The last time you talked to Kyle, sabi niya talagang kina-consider ka niya as not just my mentor niya, best friend daw talaga.
Actually, nung una, nung minsan magkasama kami sa Sagrado, sabi niya, Tol, okay lang ba if I say that you're my mentor? Sabi ko, hindi mo ka mentor. I'm here as your brother, as your best friend. Pero yeah, if you wanna call me that, but you are your own person. He's very young. It's a long way to go. But I don't wanna call it that kasi parang ang hirap naman pag nilagay mo sa utak mo na mentor ka, magtuturo ka. Ako nag-aaral pa rin ako. I'm still a student. Hindi naman natatapos yung pag-aaral natin at pagiging estudyante sa craft natin. So, kung ano mo yung nakikita nila, sana pulutin nila yung maganda, and they learn from that and take off from it.
Nandun ka doon nung time nung down na down. So because of the yun daw, sinushoot niya daw yan.
The reason why I had so much respect for the kid, when the final scene was happening, was the day after his sister passed. So it was really a sensitive time in his life. It was really difficult because you have to control him because wala yung parents niya, nasa of course, hindi sila mag-isa dito. So I made sure that he was okay, that he felt loved, that he felt like he had people around him to comfort him, to make sure that everything will be okay. It was just close to home for him because yun nga, very sensitive in time na nangyari yun when we were filming. So, guide ka lang.
Wow.
Yung acting revelation ba si Kyle?
Wala naman kasi akong expectation sa kahit kasi yung kasama ko eh. Pero sa akin, ang maganda doon sa bata is that yung willingness niya maging open, hindi maging mayabang, but open to learning. So syempre sa edad mo yun talagang lahat bago ka eh. So ito bago yung role, bago yung kasama mo. So nakikinig naman siya at madaling matuto at nakita mo naman napaka-raw. Yun ang maganda pag yung kasama mo, you're on the same page and you know the intention of what you're doing. And you give it your best. You know, you commit fully, more than 100%. And that's what I saw in Kyle.
Siya daw ang next Piolo Pascual after.
Baka mas matangkad siya sa akin. Mas malagpasan pa niyan. Yun na marami sila. You know, I have a lot of young friends right now, obviously. And I know they can go places as long as they play their cards well.
May upcoming projects ba with Kyle or
Marami kami conceptualize. Bella Padilla, of course, coming from the success of their movie. Before Stella, Bella already was working on a script for a film between the three of us. And also there's another series that she's working on with another team. So hanggang mabuo na yung mga script, hanggang mabuo na yung mga konsepto, dire-diretso yan. So sana.
Ano pang reason, Rocky, ba't matagal ito para ilabas?
This was during the pandemic eh. And at that time, we really wanted a theatrical release. And it's hard because you know, kailangan mo munang balansehin or kailangan mo i-test yung ano ba yung kalagayan ng industriya natin sa film industry. And we didn't want to risk it because hindi naman siya typical rom-com. It's not your mainstream kind of film. So it was going to be a risk. So we had to wait. And good thing, you know, MQuest took it on. And so because of that, nagkaroon kami ng backbone. And when we spoke to SM, personally, we asked if we could show it exclusively kasi nga marami naman silang theaters, 80 malls. So yun, gagapangin mo talaga. So and then you wait for the right time. I believe na lahat naman ng bagay may tamang pagkakataon na ipalabas. So it's not about kailangan mo ipalabas o no. I-polish mo muna. And we went through a lot of FGDs, so many post-production stuff na talagang kailangan kasi ultimo to the last second, to the last beat, kailangan alam mo yung binibigay mo. And as a production company sa Spring Films, matagal na kami hindi gumagawa. So ito talaga yung pet project namin with Cornerstone. Kailangan talagang siguraduhin na maayos sana yung produkto. Sana naman na nagustuhan nyo.
Ito yung pagbabalik action mo na after
Gulat din ako eh.
Diba?
May nag-a-action pala ako. Tapos sa susunod,
Meron din naman, di ba? The Kingdom.
Kingdom action daw nga pala.
Pero grabe yung action pack dito.
Wala na.
Grabe yung action pack mo dito. Any challenges you encounter during the shoot?
Marami kaming chase scenes, marami kaming fight scenes. Motor ako, nag-iiskwala yung kotse. So talaga ang daming risky fun. Pero ang lakas kasi talagang yung testosterone talaga lahat nasa taas eh. Tapos puro lalaki pa. So ang bilis ng pacing, ang galing ni director, and he knew what really wanted out of us. So nag-enjoy kami doon sa proseso. We were in Quezon, locking kami for a couple of weeks hanggang matapos namin.
May aksidente bang nangyari or parang
nung isang
injuries?
scene namin, napakap kami dun sa bridge yung sa opening kasi nagka-COVID yung director namin. So pack up. So sabi ko, paano to? Gastos na naman, patay. Pack up yung eksena. Yun lang yung downside pag may mga ano. Pero walang aksidente nangyari. Yeah.
So you're over and done with romantic. You're
No,
romantic.
you know, I was just thinking about that. I grew up doing rom-coms all my life. So more than 20 years, more than half of my career. And then when I started with Malyari, horror, tapos nag-Gumbusa ka, period. Tapos nag-The Kingdom ako, ganun din, action. And then ito on the right. Tapos yung ginagawa ko nung yun, family drama naman, sa Star Cinema, and then gagawin ko yung Manila's Finest, na period. So sabi ko, nasan yung rom-com? Di ba ang galing? Because you know, at this point, at my age, I'm really blessed and fortunate enough to say na I'm able to diversify in terms of because meron ng avenue, meron ng window because of this right now. Mas nakakapaglaro ka na, hindi ka na stuck sa rom-com. So I'm really happy that I'm able to choose roles or do movies na hindi necessarily rom-com.
Do you think ito yung pagbabalik ng mga Pinoy sa action film? Di ba parang medyo na humihina?
More than action films, yung pagbabalik nila sa sinema. When Conjuring broke box office records in
Wild.
hindi natin kaya. Sana naman kaya ako bilang tiga-industriya. Hindi ako titigil hanggat hindi natin maibigay sa tao yung tama sa panlasa natin. Kasi ang ganda naman ng film industry natin eh. So that's really what I want to champion. Philippine cinema, and for us to be proud of what we have and that we can show to the audience globally.
And Pamapi, another light note, and balik lang natin sa mentoring. Parang may ka-jawline ka dito, si Philip.
Anak ko? Ay, anak ko pala. Pamangkin ko. Naging anak ko bigla yung pamangkin ko.
Din ba siya?
Yes, I was surprised because he was born and raised in the States. And then growing up after college, sabi niya, Uncle, I wanna be in showbiz.
I like it.
Pwede pigilin. So sabi ko, siguro kasi nangatin nila yung trabaho. And even my son who happens to celebrate his birthday today. I mean, I'm just happy because hindi mo sila pipilitan. My son was growing up, I kept discouraging him. Sabi ko, aral ka muna, tapusin mo muna para at least may laman yung utak mo pag nag-artista ka. And yun, hindi mo mapipigil ang pag-gusto ng mga bata.
Ang sweet nga ng message mo kay Inigo.
Kulang pa yun.
Yeah.
Peach, not to discredit Kyle, pero bakit di na lang si Inigo yung kapartner mo?
Too close. And when this was offered to me, it was pitched to me with Cornerstone. Si Kyle yung... Bakit nga ba si Kyle? Bakit nga ba si Kyle? Si Kyle yung first choice ba? For the role? Kasi si director. Tagal na kasi, pero si Kyle yung napili nila at that time. And then, nag-look test kami. Okay naman. Ilang taon lang siya nung time na yun. So, siya yung tama para sa role. And I think at that time, nasa States pa si Inigo because pandemic time. Kaya ako naman gumawa ng father and son na kami na masyadong malapit sa totoong buhay. Kung gagawa kami siguro, something more different in a sense na hindi kami father and son,
Are you looking forward to work with him soon? Yung ganyang klase
Si
yung film
Puge?
din?
Cellphone
I know for a fact that there would come a time that we can work together on something when we're both a bit older, more mature. It's all about the concept. Pag may magandang concept na dumating, mahirap pumindi. Ako, I'm a sucker for good stories. Kahit hindi ko na kayang gawin, pipilitin ko. Basta mag-stuhan ko yung isang konsepto such as this. When it was pitched to me, I said, direct, gawin na natin agad yan. So, it happens when it's the right project.
Kamusta na po ba siya ngayon? Anong ginagawa niya?
Inigo is in LA. We're touring next month. We have a show in Vegas in October. Then we have ASAP in Vancouver. And then he'll come home for a show. He's gonna do here. So I'm excited for that because it's something that he's been looking forward to. And yeah, he's gonna come home very soon.
Peach, while this is packaged as an action film, meron pa ring drama kasi that's where you're good at. Is that intentional?
Hindi naman siguro. Ako, hirap na hirap ako nang pinapanood ko kasi nga bigat-bigat. And then bilang tatay, tanga ka kasi, ba't mo sinama yung anak mo? Ba't mo minamasin buhay mo? Pero may mga tao talaga na pagkapit sa patilim, hindi ka na nag-iisip ng tama. So kasama na yung emotional whirlwind doon, kasama roller coaster na alam mo, kalakip yan sa mga kalokohan na ginagawa mo. Tapos kasama pa yung bata. So when I was doing the narration, yung voiceover, I had to stop a couple of times because I was crying. Parang ang hirap kasi paano ka magkakaroon ng retribution? Paano mo ba i-explain sa anak mo na, anak, I'm sorry, hindi ako mabuting tao. And yet, yun nandiyan na yan eh. So, kasama yung mga emotional and dramatic scenes din. By the way, when we did the last scene, yung ending, nag-method pa kami ni Kyle. Kasi of course, we had to come from a whole, one day lang nangyari. Di ba? Kailangan mabaho pa, kailangan hindi ka naligo, kailangan pagod na pagod ka na, mamamatay na ako. So what we did, hindi kami naligo the day before, diretso kami sa set, nung walang tulog. Kaya pagod na pagod kami, which really worked. And all respects for Kyle, kasi alam mong ibibigay mo yung kailangan hinihingi para sa Excel. Tsaka malaki yan, malaking screen yan, kitang-kita lahat. So yun, that's just how I appreciate cinema. You have to do what is asked of you and just you have to deliver because yun ang hinahanap ng character ng istorya. So,
Pamapi, reaction mo lang syempre, of course, lahat ng your films are political. everything.
Is it?
Yeah.
Not intentional, ah.
Oh, not intentional.
Yeah.
But like, bilang isa sa mga talagang tinitingala icons of this industry, what's your reaction to the ongoing, of course, circus that's happening?
Okay, so well, I was with my friends yesterday. So sabi ko, I had to catch up on the news because I'm so busy with work and I don't want to be sidetracked because kailangan ko mag-focus ngayon. Tapos akong pelikula, ang dami kong ginagawa. Kung pakikinggan ko pa yung news, pag nanonood ko pa yung news, baka hindi ako makapag-concentrate. But of course, I had to catch up because as a citizen, it's my job to be in the know. It's my job to know what's happening, not just to be updated, but to also be in touch with what's happening with your nation because you're a citizen. And then, dito nangyayari yung patriotism. So I want to be aware, but you cannot point fingers right now. But I've been praying about it. Na sana mapanagot talaga yung kailangan panagot para nang magkaroon ng konting rest, para magkaroon naman tayo ng confidence sa gobyerno natin at sa bansa natin. Because it's not about anyone anymore. It's just about the Philippines. So sana lang magkaroon tayo ng awareness na, we can be apolitical, we can be apathetic, but at the end of the day, you have to do what you have to do as a citizen, as part of this nation. And I think, from my end, hindi kasi ako opinionated na tao, hindi ako nakikialam sa ganyan. It's not my turf. Pero, when it comes to show, gagawin mo talaga yung kailangan mo gawin para maprotektahan yung bansa mo. Hindi yung gobyerno, kundi yung bansa mo at ang pamilya mo at ang paligid mo.
You're one of the highest tax.
Kaya nga napakasakit, di ba? Meron akong back tax na kailangan kong bayaran, hindi ko mabayaran kasi parang kung bibili lang naman nila ng luxury goods, pang biyahe lang naman nila, hindi joke lang.
Tax refund ba? Tax refund?
Wala nga tayong tax refund pero wala, you have to abide, especially you're in the business. Pwede kang pagdiskitahan o pwede kang i-audit. Kaya nga kami talaga ever since, especially sa showbiz, black and white. Kasi nakaharap ka tapos taxpayer ka pa. So no matter what happens, hindi ko na lang iniisip kasi pag iniisip mo pa kung saan napupunta yung binabayad ng tax.
Sinisilip mo ba magkano?
Yun lang.
Yung saktong pagkulari ngayong buwan, oh my God, yun ang kaltaas.
Yung lagi ko naiisip, sabi ko bakit? Tapos hindi mo naman nakikita yung nangyayari. Kaya I'm trying to not think about it para hindi ako mapikon. Kasi nakakapikon. At the end of the day, you have this flood control projects and you see all your fellow men having a hard time trying to get by na nababaha. Sana magkaroon ng konsensya yung mga taong involved kasi nakakahiya na. Sana makonsensya sila. Kasi yung pera, sa kapadadalin ng pera mo, sana yung sapat na. Huwag mo nang nakawan yung mga tao. Hirap na nga. Nahayaan mo pa magkaroon tayo ng konsensya. Yun lang pwede ko siya.
Thank you, Bobby. Kinakta kami ni Karen. Ayun na, cut!
Isang invite lang ako para
Yes.